Welcome to the Slop Farm. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to fix PayPal not sending verification codes. First, let's cover some initial troubleshooting steps. Make sure your mobile device has a strong and stable network connection. A weak signal can prevent messages from coming through. Also, double-check that the phone number linked to your PayPal account is accurate and up to date. Sometimes, the code might end up in your spam or junk folder, so give those a quick look. Next, let's dive into your PayPal account settings. It's crucial to confirm that your primary phone number is correctly listed. If it looks right, try a quick refresh by removing and then re-adding your phone number within the settings. For those using two-factor authentication, sometimes disabling it temporarily and then re-enabling it can resolve the issue. These steps often clear up any minor glitches preventing the code from being sent. If the problem persists, consider alternative methods and device checks. If PayPal offers to send the verification code via email, try that option instead. A simple restart of your mobile device can often resolve temporary network or software issues. Additionally, clearing the cache and data for your phone's messaging application can fix problems with receiving SMS messages. These actions can often unblock the delivery of your code. Finally, if you've tried all the previous steps without success, the only definitive way to resolve this is by contacting PayPal customer support directly. They have the tools to investigate account-specific issues and manually assist you. When you contact them, clearly explain the problem and list all the troubleshooting steps you've already completed. Be ready to verify your identity, as this is a standard security measure to protect your account.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.